Hello friends, welcome to another blog by Ham Radio Assam. So today we are doing a demonstration of a helical resonator for a VHF 2 meter band. So actually this was made by VU3 Oscar Kilo Bravo, and we made it for mostly for Baofeng radios because we discovered that on Baofeng radios it's very difficult to receive sometimes, even though the transmission is really good. We got this idea from another ham YouTuber who made something similar like this. So we made it VU3 Oscar Kilo Bravo Pintu Sarkar, he made it here in Assam in Guwahati, and we have tested it out. So here tested it out for our Baofeng radios, 2 meter radios. It does work out fine. So previously what used to happen is that the stations are not able to receive, the RX wasn't working, whereas using the same antenna the TX was working. So the Baofeng front end is very notorious for going ahead and cancelling out because of high Q, and that's the reason we decided to go ahead and make this helical resonator for 2 meter band. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing for it. We're just going to open up the screws and just check it out, how does the internal work out. So I'll also add the description on the link regarding from where we got the inspiration to make this project. It was made by some ham in UK. I'll share all the details in the link below in the description. It's a nice little project for anyone who have a Baofeng and have some issues regarding receiving stations. Particularly in receiving stations, they can definitely make this helical resonator. So let's unbox it and let's check it out how this was made by VU3 Oscar Kilo Bravo here in Guwahati, Assam. So yeah, so there it is, and we're just going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you guys. So this is done very nicely, and yeah, and it does work. We have tested it out with 3-4 stations here in Guwahati, and the performance we tested it out mostly with Baofeng. So what happens with Baofeng is that we have seen here in Guwahati that the RX doesn't work, uh, but TX does work absolutely fine. And with ducky antennas, stock antennas, it does work out, but we miss out on the transmission gains. So in order to go ahead and resolve the issues, we thought that why not try to mitigate the issues with the Baofeng radios by making these small helical resonators. And yeah, and it works fine. We have tested it out with 3 hams so far, and the performance is absolutely awesome, fantastic. And here we go, and here's the last screw, and we're just trying to open it up, and there you go. So this is how it looks like. So you have got two induction coils and two inductors, and we also have that's the plate for the capacitors, which we can adjust. So there is one plate, this is one plate, and this whole, it's a air gap capacitors. That's how we use it. And yeah, so anyone who have a Baofeng and want to make good use of and the RX is pretty terrible, they can definitely try out the project. We'll share the details in the description below, and also the schematics, everything would be available in our channel. Thank you for watching. This is VU3 Hotel Zulu Whiskey from Guwahati, Assam. 73s, take care, bye bye.